Okay, so now we can start. Okay, hello.
Did you use speaker?
Hi.
No.
So, because I can't hear you that very well. Your volume is low.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
I hope it's better.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll start with you. Uh, Marcel, you can start your projects. Okay. Okay, so you can share your screen with us. So first we start with the um your Python project. Let me see what you've done with your Python project or any of your project that is ready. Let's see. Okay, so this is the Python project, right? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Marcel, is this the Python project?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to explain to us. Okay.
So, this is the traffic light. I wanted to do calculator, but when I tried it, didn't work. So, I ended up with this one.
Okay.
So, first, the sprite is because within the Quacky. So, Quacky imports the time and set brightness to 15.
Okay.
While true, Quacky displays a pattern and sleep for 5 seconds. Quacky
Okay.
shows text 2, then it sleeps for 1 second. Then Quacky show text 1, then sleep for 1 second. Then Quacky will draw a pattern and then sleep for 5 seconds. Then it will draw, then to show text 2, sleep for 1 second, show text 1 and sleep for 1 second. Then the thing starts all over again.
Oh. So what's the main idea behind your project?
So like to make traffic lights.
Oh, okay. Using Python. So did you try it on your Quacky with your Quacky
Yeah,
and everything was working perfectly?
yes.
Okay. So do you have a video of that um of your
No,
project?
I don't have the video, but I sent the code.
Okay, okay. So kindly send us the code. Let's see how it's working.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
already on the platform.
You've already done it on the platform. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I
So
can show
so
it. Come on, let me just get my copy.
show us your Quacky. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Okay,
And
okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
okay.
Okay, so Brian, can you also take over? Show us your Python project.
Sir, please, said I should present. Sir, please, I can't hear from you.
Yeah, you can show us your Python project. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
So show us your Python project. Can you explain your code to us? Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, Brian, can you explain your code to us?
Sir, please, the project is drawing a sun with Python, and I use the pen extension, which
Okay.
will say pen clear, pen dot down, then for in range. So
Mm-hmm.
sprite move means sprite forward
Mm-hmm.
200 degrees and sprite left 170 degrees. And I've
Mm-hmm.
done it multiple of times to draw
Mm-hmm.
this.
Oh, okay. 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 That's fine. That's good. Okay. So, Shireen, can you take over?
Please, okay.
Let's your Python code.
Please, my project is on the laptop, so I'm going to present it on the laptop.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, the Python first. Okay. Python, I don't remember.
Hello.
Fast.
Yeah. So sharing. Sharing.
Simply samples.
Okay. Okay.
Simply, this is my project. Run
Okay. So run it. Let's see.
Please, my project is that the first one, it gives the first sentence, the starting is a small letter, but the second sentence, the first letter is a capital letter.
Okay. So run it. Let's see how it's working.
Please, I've run it.
Oh, okay. So it shows down there. Okay. Okay. So it means that you are changing the capital letters to small letters at the starting point.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so let me ask all of you this question. So what have you learned in this Python course? So far, what have you learned in this Python course? What have you learned so far?
Well, I've learned about algorithm, flow charts, um,
Mhm.
coding in Python,
Okay,
and the
so
basics in Python.
okay, that's good. So when we talk about algorithm, what is it? Who can tell us algorithm? Now, Marcel said he has learned about algorithm flowcharts. So what is algorithm itself? What is it about?
So
Algorithm is
algorithm is like A process with something. I don't know how to explain it.
Algorithm is the step-by-step ways in which of to code.
Okay, so is the step by step way. Okay, that is good. Who else again?
Algorithm is the step by step programs to follow to perform a task.
Okay, that's good. Sharon, what will you also say about algorithm?
I said algorithm
Okay.
is the step-by-step ways to code.
Okay. What about Brian? What is your stick? What is algorithm?
An algorithm is a step-by-step plan to solve a problem.
Okay, so it's a step by step plan to solve a problem. Okay, so
Share you.
so if I have a challenge, okay, hello,
Sir, please, your volume is
hello,
low.
yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Okay, so the step by step process you go through to solve a problem or a challenge is algorithm. Okay, so what does we also see a flowchart is? Who can tell me?
A flow chart is a plan. Is a plan for a code. A step by step plan.
The
Okay,
flow chart
okay,
is a chart that we use to plan how to solve a task.
okay, that is good. And then Brian, what will you say?
Sir, please, a flow chart is a dia-
Mm-hmm,
diagrammatic
mm-hmm.
representation of the step-by-step plan for solving a problem.
Okay, that is good. So a flowchart simply deal with diagram. Okay. So is the diagram that represent the step-by-step process to solve the problem is the flowchart. So your step-by-step process you will go through your algorithm. When you present it in the form of a diagram, a chart, is the flowchart. Okay, and we see that a flow chart lead us into coding. So now that I have my flow chart, I will follow the flow chart to write my code. So, okay, my code will behave the same way my flow chart is showing. Okay, so now who can tell me what is coding all about? Now you've learned about flow chart. What is
Coding
coding?
is
Coding
about
is
making interesting projects and having fun.
Okay,
code,
that's good. Mhm.
code coding is programming a robot or game or an app.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, Bram, what will you say?
The place coding is making a story, animation, games, and that is used for the public.
Oh, okay, that's good. So, what is programming?
Programming is to write lines for a code.
Is to write lines for a code. Okay, that's good.
Programming is to write a code down for a certain task.
Okay, programming is to write a code down for a certain task. That's good. Bram, what
Please,
will you also say?
programming is Learning a computer language.
Okay. So learning a computer language, that is good. So now all what you've said is good. Okay. So when we talk about programming, like what I said is computer can only follow instructions. Okay. Computer system only follows what instructions. So it's the instructions that you give to your computer system is what the computer system will execute. So if I want my computer system to draw like what you did, Brian, your computer system was drawing, like what Marcel you did, your computer system was showing a traffic light and displaying it to what the Quacky board. Okay. Sharing what you also did by giving instruction for your computer's system to turn the written words and change it alphabetically to what capital to lowercase or sentence case. That is good. So all is instructions. So coding simply means writing an instruction to a computer to perform a specific task. So if I'm writing, I'm coding, the process of writing my coding is I'm saying that I'm programming. Okay. So I'm programming okay. Okay, so I'm coding, I'm writing code, I'm coding. It's the same thing. So coding and programming is the same. So when somebody asks you what is programming, it's the writing of instruction to a computer system to execute a task. It's the same thing like what is coding. Coding is the process of writing. So it's the same thing. So in the process of writing, that is what we term as what coding or programming. Okay, because that is the process. Now, you've been hearing about software. Now, when you have a series of um, instruction, so I have instruction to draw like what Brian we did. I have instruction to display a traffic light. I have another instruction to change a sentence case to a lower case, capital case. When I put this together, it's termed as what? A software. Okay, so different instruction, putting it together or packaging it terms as what? A software. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes, sir.
coding, programming, software, these are the difference now. So if anybody asks you what is software, you know what a software means. It's the same as you having PictoBlock. PictoBlock is a software and it's different instruction in PictoBlock. When we put it together, we gave it name PictoBlock. Okay, you've been going to Facebook. Facebook is a software, but it's a different instructions. We call it module. When you put all those instructions together or modules together, we call it what? Facebook. Okay, so now you think that all these things you can also do it. It's not difficult. Okay, the most important thing is you understanding. So the process of solving any problem or any challenge is what you know now, that you need to go through what algorithm process. So use your algorithm to solve the challenge, to find a solution to a problem, and then you use your flowchart to get your diagram or representation of what you've what go through. Now with your flowchart, you can use it to code. So it serves as a guide to help you to code. And then when you are done with all your coding, you package it to become what? A software. Okay. So now that we've gone through this, we also have another project that I told you guys to present to us using the Quacky project. Okay. So I will start with Sharing. Sharing, so kindly show us your Quacky project.
set my project. And what my project does is that when you run the code, it will on the quirky select board. When you press A, it will show the pattern it is supposed to show. When you press B, it will also show a particular pattern. When you press C and D and space also, it does the same thing.
Oh, okay. So can you show us how it's working on your party?
Okay.
Have you connected your party? Are you using Bluetooth?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to install your Bluetooth. Or you've installed it already? Hello, Sherry.
Yes, sir.
Have you used the Bluetooth before?
Sir, please, yes.
So it means that you've installed. So type on your search box, the search box there. Type it there. It will come. Pictoblock link. Pictoblock link. On your search box, Pictoblock link. Just type Pictoblock link. It will come. Can you see what I'm talking about? You know the search down there where you have your home. On your computer, I'm talking about computer, where you have your home, you see there's a search box there. You just type Pictoblock, or not on Pictoblock. I'm talking about your computer.
This is an option.
No, yeah, down there.
What I should install the picture plus link.
Okay, you download. If you are downloading, fine.
So I've connected the robot.
You've connected the robot.
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's good. Okay, so now show us. Oh, okay.
When you
Okay.
press the space, the
When you press the space and it will change.
yes.
Oh, okay.
When you press A,
And it changed with a different pattern. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So what gives you this inspiration to write this code? What inspiration came in mind to write this code?
so what inspired me to do this
Mm-hmm,
project is that
mm-hmm.
I wanted my project to be colorful.
Wow. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. You like colorful things, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. I like that. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Shireen. I think I like your project. Okay. So I'll move on to Marcel. Marcel, can you also show us your project?
Okay. So this is my project.
Okay. So tell us about your project. What is it about? What is the project about?
So when you click on the flag, it will clear the screen.
Mhm,
It will set IRL
mhm,
sensor to 500 and
mhm.
the IR right sensor to 150. It will
Okay.
set parameter F to
Mhm.
35, T1 to
Okay.
40, and T2 to 10. Turn on
Okay.
it will turn on flip video on stage with zero transparency. It will then show
Okay.
bounding box.
Okay.
Then in the forever block, it will do line following, stop robots, and set detection threshold to 0.7. Analyze image from camera. And then to say join class of object 1 detected. If
Mhm.
a signal go detected, display mark as forward arrow and go forward at 30% for 1 second. A signal turn left detected, then display matrix as that.
Mhm.
Then go then go left at 30% speed for 0.5 seconds.
Mhm.
Is signal right detected? Then display matrix as right arrow, then it will go right at hand. Wait, come to go right at 30% speed for 0.5 seconds. And
Okay.
then if signal stop detected, display matrix as red, stop robots, stop all.
Oh, okay, okay. So can you show us how your project is working, the working mode?
Oh sir, please I can't because
You can't.
the
Mhm.
because I sent the code from Bluetooth from my mother's phone to the computer to display it. And second, because I'm using a computer, it will be hard to see from top view how it's
Okay.
working.
Oh, okay. So you were using your phone. Did you use your phone to do the coding or your laptop? The coding was on
No,
your laptop, right?
no, the coding was on my phone. I sent it to Bluetooth for on to the laptop so that you can see the code.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, so showing us okay, okay. So what I want you to do is you can do a video of your working project, how it's working, how it's moving, and then you send
Okay,
it to me, right? Okay.
okay,
Okay, thank you very much. So, what gave you the inspiration to do that project? This project?
So like self-driving cars, like, and also it needs to be able to detect the obstacles. So whenever it detects the stop, it will stop. Otherwise, if it didn't, it will keep on going and be disobeying the laws. So
Oh,
what inspired me is because I like self-driving cars.
wow, wow. So, are you aspiring to become one of the engineers for self-driving automobile companies?
So
Hello.
please, I can't hear you. Your line was breaking.
Uh, okay, I'm saying that are you aspiring to become one of the engineers for self-driving automobile companies in Ghana or outside?
I'll not like be employed, but I'll make my own company.
Wow, I like that. I like that. That's good. That's good. Then you have to keep on learning. Okay, you have to
Okay.
keep on learning and practicing every day. You don't need to stop. Okay, that is very good.
Okay.
I like that. Okay, thank you very much. So I'll move on to Brian. Can you take over?
Sir, please, this is my progress.
Okay, so let us know what is it about. You tell us, and then
Sir,
you explain
please,
how it's working to us.
sir, please, I put multiple of the things we learned together. So you can
Okay,
see different projects.
okay,
One is the one is detecting the IR sensors,
okay,
and one is also a self-driving car,
okay,
and another one here is to test the IR sensors on the board,
okay,
and the last one is a number detector.
okay, okay. So, what gave you this inspiration to put all this program together as one package?
So, it's because I don't want it to be you go here, you get one project. So to make it easier, if maybe someone want to download this thing,
Mhm.
he will not download it one, but because mine is multiple things put together, he or she would like to choose my own. So the Quacky can do different things in one program.
Wow. I really like your projects. I think what we will do is They will give you the name of it, and then this will be your own property because you have able to put all this program together. I think we as CKBS, we've now package all the codes together as one program, and you as a student able to put that. I think the credit will be yours. Okay, and what we want is you package your program very well, and then you show us your working programs. You take a video of it, how it's doing, and you send to us. Okay, okay, and we
Okay.
have to publish it in your name as Brian. If anybody wants to download is Brian work, and then I need the working of it that we can put it on the YouTube. Okay, so if anybody get this project, it's yours. Do you get me? I think
Okay.
I really like your inspiration. It's that's very nice. That's very nice. I like it. You know, you are learning, but I can see you guys, your minds are open. I like now I have three students. I am so proud of you guys. Marcel is doing well, Prime is doing well, and the only lady in our midst, Shireen, is doing great job too. I like you guys. Um, Getting inspiration to try to help others. You know, if I want to execute, I need to do it one by one, get the code here. So your inspiration is to put everything together. So if anyone want to use it, you can get one code to run and get all this activity done. That is very remarkable. And then I really want you guys to um, do more. I think what you guys need is what you are having. We have the ultimate kit, we have innovator kit and ultimate kit. So to support you guys, and then also to make sure you guys do well, I'm going to talk to the management and for them to give you guys ultimate kits where you have all the components in terms of electronics, everything that will really help you and shape you for a bigger project than this. I think I'm also going to do that for you guys. And as I said, what I need from you guys is to learn every day. I said it shouldn't be a day that you will not code. Okay. What it takes for me to push you guys, I will do it. So your parents are now no go. Ultimate kit is expensive. Ultimate kit now I think it's almost 1,500 for one. So if I'm going to talk to my company to give you ultimate kits, the three of you, if you put it together, which is 4,500, and it's not a small money, but to motivate you guys, I'm going to do that. And what I need from you is we will be having Africa AI and Robotic competition, which is coming on. It's going to be next year, February. So I think we have a couple of months ahead of us, and I want you guys to do well. Okay, once you get this kit, you need to do well, study well, and make sure that you make your school proud, the school that you are in, even though your school is not doing the program like this. But I can believe and tell you that this is what you need. Okay, this is what you need. This is what will give you the future job that you are looking for. So your parents who are supporting you, it's not easy of the amount involved, but they are paying for you to join this. It means that your future is what they are looking for. They want a brighter future than what they gotten. Okay, so you also need to make yourself proud and then make everybody who is associated with you proud of you, which means that the opportunity that you have today, you don't need to let it go. Make sure you grab every bit of it. Okay, next time people should see you on the TV. Now, when you talk about AI, the whole world is about AI. AI is ruling the whole world. Now that people are learning it, you too, you've chanced on it. People are in your school, they don't even know about AI. They've not even seen ultrasonic sensor before. You don't even know what IR sensor is. They don't even know what programming is. They don't know what is a board. They don't even know anything like you know. That if you have idea, you know how to break these ideas down into step-by-step process to solve that problem. And then you know how to give a diagrammatic representation of your idea. No one has the idea. Most of your children, they don't even know, your colleague, they don't know this kind of things, but you have it. And what I will tell you is I'm very, very confident that you guys will be within the next 2 to 3 years. You don't need to get to 20 years before you can be successful. But I can confident by the time you turn to 18, 15, you'll be doing a great job. So don't stop it. Okay, make it your hobby that any little time you are learning, and our platform is there, the internet is there. People will be using the internet to play game, but you have to use internet to do research. Okay, if you don't understand anything, you need to use it to do research. How does this thing work? What is this? If I want to do it, how will I be able to do it? That is what I want from you guys. And then you can also chant of on our resources. So thank you very much. I think I'm so happy of what you presented to me today. And then I'm going to also keep my promise as I told you. Now that we are done with this, I think you are ready to move on to the next step, going to program with Python and stuff, which is a Python is a great language that is going to shape your life. A lot of things that you can do. Companies like Google is using it, Facebook is using it, Apple is using it, all the big tech giants are using Python. So if you are learning Python at this age, then you can confidently say your future is so bright. And then you can do all these projects that you showed to me in Python. That is very great. So I'm not going to stop teaching you. I think I need to guide you and then let you be the best that you are looking for. Okay. So we will close here. But then if you really have anything to say, um, I just want to give you time to say what you two want to say, and then the promise that you want to give to yourself that as I've seen this, after I'm able to do it, I believe that if I keep on practicing, I'm going to be this in the near future. The floor is open for all of you just to talk where you want to be in the next few years ahead of us. So anyone who wants to start can start, then we can close this session.
Please, which course are we going to do next?
Okay, so our next course is we are going to use the Ultimate Kit to do the programming. Like I said, you need to acquire the Ultimate Kit. I gave you the cost of that. And then once you get the Ultimate Kit, you have access to the course content. Okay, now you don't have access to them, but once you get the Ultimate Kits, you have access to the course content. So I'll try my best for you guys to have the Ultimate Kit, then we can start the next course. So the next course, we now you know Python, so we are going to speed our last program with the block coding, and then from there we switch to the Python because most of the things you already know. So just the recap of the project we will do on that part. That is robotic 2. When we are done, we switch to Python. And like what you've done so far, what you showed me, then we can use like 1 or 2 weeks to complete that. And then we can switch to the main program. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you don't have anything to say. Do you?
Yeah, please
No.
no.
Okay. So will you promise me that you will program every day?
Yeah, please yes.
Okay. 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 That's good. That's good. So let's close from here. I think this meeting is being recorded. So I'll try and get you the recorded version so you can listen to yourself over and over and over again to give you more inspiration to do greater things. Thank you and take care of yourself. Bye.
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 Bye.